What's going on, everybody? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today is an exciting day because I'm announcing my latest giveaway. It's the giveaway for August, and I'm going to be giving away a full copy of Vegas Pro 18 Edit, which is the awesome brand new Vegas 18 program that you've seen all the videos for that I've posted already. And as you know, I did the Vegas 17 giveaway in April, and that was a big success, and one lucky winner won that. So for August, I'm going to be doing Vegas 18. Thanks to Magix and Vegas for providing this copy, I get to give it away to you all. It's really easy to enter, just like back in April. We're going to go to scrapyardfilms.com, click the button that says enter giveaway, and then it'll take you to scrapyardfilms.com/giveaway. All you need to do is fill out a form to the best of your ability. It's going to ask you for your name, your email, and it's going to ask you for your social media handles. Now, none of this information is going to be sold or given to anybody else. It's strictly for verification purposes, and all I'm going to be doing is making sure you're a real person, because I don't want some bot to win this program. It's a $400 program. Why would I want to waste that? I want to give it to somebody who really wants it and needs this program. So you fill out that form, it sends me an email, and then I'll go through each entry and verify you. And now, of course, when I do a giveaway, I also do extra giveaways for patrons and supporting scrappers. So patrons get their own Patreon only giveaway, and I'm of course going to be live streaming this giveaway like I've done in the past, because it's really fun. We get like 30 or 40 people in the chat, and it's all just a crazy fun time playing music, spinning wheels, winning things. So I'm going to be giving away a lot of stuff on the live stream when I'm drawing the winner for the Vegas 18, and that's most likely going to be the following weekend after September 4th, because I need time to verify all these entries. Now, please, no cheating, no spamming, no duplicating, no bots, none of that. I love doing these giveaways, and when one person cheats or when multiple people cheat, it makes me not want to give these things away. So just let's be fair about it. Most of these things I give away out of my own money. Some I'm lucky enough to get sponsored for, like this version of Vegas 18. But, you know, it's kind of a waste when people try to take advantage of other people. It's not the kind of person I am, and seeing that makes me not want to do this kind of stuff. But luckily, I love all of my subscribers and all the supporting scrappers and everybody, and I'm going to trust you guys to do the right thing. But if you want to stay updated, I'll post everything on Twitter, I'll post everything in my community channel. All the information is linked in the description below, and that wraps it up. So thank you guys for watching, and good luck.